Attention auto repair shop owners! Dragging your feet on doing Facebook marketing because it's such a pain, too time consuming, or way too expensive? Don't think dirt cheap, high quality social media marketing options are available? Hi, my name's Randy Kowalenko and today's your special day. I'm here to solve these problems and more. Does this sound familiar? You or a staff member agrees to start marketing your auto repair shop by posting on Facebook. The challenge often goes something like this. The first few days, the commitment is strong, and you or your staff is posting daily to your Facebook wall or business page. After a few days go by, in the face of a busy work schedule, a few posts start to get missed. After all, it's a major hassle to drop the important or urgent things that you're working on just to make a post on your Facebook page. Even if it's a hassle, you realize it's still important, but these things keep popping up all the time and there just aren't enough hours in the day. If you are, however, able to make posts faithfully each day, you quickly run into the next roadblock, which is running out of things to say. After a couple of weeks, you might begin wondering what to say in your next post that connects with your customers and prospects. Then to make matters worse, you might not have the time or the graphic skills needed to design professional images for your Facebook posts yourself. So your posts are mostly text or use no images at all, which can cause minimal engagement with your audience when you do make a post. Eventually, the next phase for many businesses is where the Facebook marketing goes on, quote, temporary hold, unquote, due to the hectic pace of business until things slow down or until you have more time. Sadly, this is where the posting often ends on permanent hold. Does any of this sound familiar to you at all? If so, you're not alone, not even close. Fortunately, though, there is hope. The good news for your Facebook posting problems is that there is an effortless, dirt cheap solution, and that's what I'm here to share with you. Introducing Auto Repair Shop Ads, your automated Facebook social media posting solution. Here's how it works. You get up to 3 high-quality, professionally designed auto repair shop images automatically posted to your Facebook business page daily so you don't have to do it yourself. Along with each image, a text comment about the image will also be posted. Sounds kind of nice, doesn't it? The images that will be used to post to your account come from my large pool of 250 images from 22 plus auto repair shop categories. During your sign-on interview, we'll go through the checklist to make sure we only post images that match your services that you offer to your customers. Also, and very importantly, the images are all 100% copyright compliant and legal to use. No concerns about getting sued for copyright violations. I know because I designed them all myself completely from scratch on a blank digital canvas. The images are automatically and randomly posted to your account each day along with text comments so you don't have to do it. Your business name and phone number will be added to the top of the images so people know who to call to set up their appointment. Yay! No contract is required! I know that a lot of social media agencies require you to sign lengthy contracts with them. Not here. I value my clients, which means not making them stick with the service if they ever decide it isn't working for their needs. I have such strong confidence in my service that I offer it with no contract required because it's such a great and dirt cheap solution. Let's make it a great solution for your auto repair shop too so you can see firsthand. No overlap in your territory. Your area is exclusive to you for this service when you join. You will be the only customer in your area. I will not work with another auto repair shop unless it's at least 75 miles away. Free upgrades when you sign up with me. Free service upgrade number 1. As a free service to you, I will set up your Facebook business page for you if you do not already have one, or I can update your existing page if needed. Free service upgrade number 2. As an additional free service to you, I will personally design you a company logo if needed. We can add the logo to your Facebook posts and for other business uses you like without restrictions as my way of saying thank you for becoming a customer. Free service number 3. My third free yet optional separate service to you is to help you set up and manage an ad campaign directly through Facebook to get followers to your shop's page so more people see the posts I add each day. You don't need to set this up though unless you want to. It's completely optional, especially if you already have a Facebook page and followers. If you do choose to advertise through Facebook to get more followers, you can spend as little as you like down to $1 per day, and can even increase or cancel the ad anytime if you do decide to try it out. So how much does it cost already? As I mentioned earlier, this solution is dirt cheap compared to what many of the seemingly endless high-dollar ad agencies are offering. So at this point you're probably wondering how cheap is dirt cheap? Well, this is the good part where you find out, because right now I'm offering you 2 options. With both options, the service is exactly the same. It's identical. The only difference between the 2 options is based on how you choose to pay. For the exact same service, you can choose between $197 per month or $97 monthly. It's completely up to you. With both options, you receive 3 posts per day, 7 days per week, along with the additional bonuses I mentioned earlier. Option number 1 is $197 per month if you choose to use manual payments. That's about $2.35 per post. Do you think that you or your staff could create a post like this for $2.35 on your payroll time clock? If so, I may want to hire them. With this option, you will receive a monthly invoice with payments due on the first of each month to continue the service. Or, option number 2 is $97 a month using automatic payments. That's about $1.16 per post. The same exact service used for option 1, except instead of making a manual payment each month, it will be set up for automatic payment. You will receive a receipt that's automatically sent to your email account. It's very easy to cancel if you should ever decide to, but it makes it far less time consuming for me to track and manage, which is why it's so much lower of an offer for the exact same service as option 1. Lowest offer guarantee. Both offers are dirt cheap, but option 2 is dirt cheap. That's double dirt cheap. My guarantee is that if you find another agency that offers 3 images posted daily, along with text comments for each post for $97 per month, I will give you 3 months of my service for 100% free. That's right, for free. Just send me a copy of the proposal with an itemized description of the service being offered. Also, you must be 75 miles away from my nearest client since each territory is exclusive. But fortunately for me, I'd be very surprised if you would find a service anywhere close to my rock bottom offer, but feel free to look. How can I keep the doors open with such a dirt cheap offer? Now you may be wondering how I can offer such a high quality service for such a low offer. The answer can be summed up in a single word: automation. It's completely automated. I completely automate the posting to your page to minimize the labor involved. That way I can keep my offer super affordable to you. Another thing that helps me keep the offer so low is that I have far less overhead than large ad agencies with building and staffing expenses. The bottom line. Have you ever clicked on, checked out, or even bought something as a result of a marketing post on Facebook? It's no secret that many of your competitors are likely posting on Facebook already, trying to hijack your customers from you. If you don't fight to keep your customers, they may steal many of them without you even knowing it, wondering why less and less appointments are being scheduled than there used to be. Wouldn't it be nice to keep your customers and gain new ones instead of losing them to a competitor? Clearly, Facebook is the 10,000-pound gorilla for social media platforms. The question is whether or not you're presently using it for your business like many of the other auto repair shops are. There's no better time than the present to get started. So let's get started. The only thing left to know is whether you're interested in getting started with option 1 for $197 per month where you make payments manually, or whether you want to get started with option 2 for just $97 per month where you'll save a lot of money for the exact same service by using automatic payments. Again, it's the exact same service either way. Just call or fill out the form below to advise which option you prefer. You can sit and think about it for days, weeks, or months, but your Facebook posting problems won't go away. Although some of your customers may go away to your competitors' advertising on Facebook. You can look back after time has passed, realizing your Facebook marketing problems are still unresolved, or you can simply take action today and get your Facebook marketing set up right away. As I mentioned, there's no contract and you can cancel at any time, so let's get started. There's only one spot in your area and I would like to fill it, so please act now before somebody else takes it. Simply dial now, 260-450-5885 to get started with your setup interview. Kind regards, Randy Kowalenko with AutoShopAds.com. Again, my phone number is 260-450-5885. Call now.